Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to journal trades on TradingView. Journaling your trades is a crucial step for any serious trader looking to improve their performance. TradingView offers several powerful, built-in features that allow you to meticulously document every aspect of your trading decisions directly on your charts. This process helps you track your progress, understand your habits, and ultimately refine your approach to the markets, leading to more informed and profitable outcomes over time. First, leverage the bar replay feature to simulate past market movements, allowing you to practice and review trades as if they were live. As you review, utilize the chart's note-taking capabilities. Simply click on the chart to add a text note, documenting your rationale for entry and exit, your initial stop loss, and your target profit. This creates a rich, contextual record of your decision-making process for future analysis. Next, make full use of TradingView's extensive drawing tools. You can draw trend lines, Fibonacci retracements, and various shapes to highlight important areas on your chart. Combine these with text objects to explicitly label your entry price, stop-loss level, and take-profit target. This visual documentation provides a clear snapshot of your trade setup, making it easy to recall your plan and execution at a later date for review. Finally, the most critical step is regularly reviewing your trade journal. Dedicate at least 15 minutes each week to go through your documented trades. Look for patterns in your entries and exits, assess the effectiveness of your strategies, and identify any emotional biases that might have influenced your decisions. This consistent review process is invaluable for continuous learning and making data-driven adjustments to your trading plan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.